Day 63 of 75 hard. So gonna walk you through today my typical day. I already did my first workout session, which was like hike in the morning, but gonna take you with me to the gym. Gonna do good old day push day. Gonna also walk you through what is like my thoughts been throughout the 75 hard, why I have started it. So yeah, let's go for it. Let's go for a session, but first gonna have some like pre-workout meal. Thinking of like protein bowl with some coffee. But yeah, here's my ride today. My board as well. So I was like switching my morning workouts between like runs, surfs and hikes, but today was like shitty waves, so maybe next time I will take you with me to the waves. But yeah, let's go. Here having a protein bowl with some coffee. Delicious. Yes. So the pre-workout meal done. Like if you are in a Bali, highly suggest go to Nourish and get the fill me up protein bowl, like such a banger. But yeah, now going to the gym, having the push session, destroy my chest. Gonna walk you through my like 75 hard experience as well. So I see you at the gym. Curious to see his diss track. But yeah, today's workout gonna be good old push day. Gonna try build it up my bench for like 100 kg, 8 reps. Let's see how it goes. So 75 hard. So why did I start this like a challenge for myself? First of all, it was not like to change my body or what. It was like more for mindset. I came like to Bali. First 3 months was a lot of like traveling, not being in my best routine, not also feeling the most focused version of myself. Let's go, 8 reps. So I started this challenge because I felt like I was getting like too comfortable, like living here in Bali, eating more as well. Like maybe not the healthiest food choices. So I started to feel that it also starts to affect my like workouts, but more importantly like my focus, what I can provide for my business or my clients. I was not feeling that I am the best version in that area. So currently, like as I said, I'm in day 63, feeling the most energized, best version of myself. Of course, my body has transformed as well, like feeling incredible changes. But more importantly, like my energy and focus has been so incredible that like I can like work long hours, without like getting tired, fatigued. I can get so much work done, I give better focus for my clients, getting them better results. Also, my business has been growing, double my revenue. Since I started this challenge, every day like I'm educating myself, reading like 10-20 pages of new books, more for business aspect. So yeah, if you're thinking of trying this challenge as well, I highly suggest. You're definitely gonna see big improvements in your body, but more importantly like how's your mind and the person you become. Because definitely I had some days when I didn't want to do the workouts, especially the second workout, but yeah, I went for it. and you build up like some good discipline, you know. And once you start to feel that those changes in your body, in your mind, the motivation is just gonna go up. So definitely give it a try. So that was the gym session, good old push day in the books. Now the best part is like you can just order like protein during the workout session, and when you're done, you know, your protein shake is already ready. So I'm gonna have my protein. Here it is. Cheers. Gonna enjoy protein. Gonna go home, wash, and later gonna meet up with friends, have some dinner. So gym session done. Let's go home, wash, do some work a bit, and then meet up with friends, have some nice dinner. So yeah, Bali life. So yeah guys, now at home, you know, gonna do some client check-ins, have some couple calls with my clients, like weekly calls, just to review their like weekly progress, how they are crushing it or where they need to improve and help. You know, and I do like health and fitness coaching for busy professionals. So yeah, always really glad to see my clients because I was also a personal trainer in the past, so I miss that connection. So I make sure I still connect with my clients on a weekly basis, you know, keep them accountable, making sure they are consistent, making sure they are motivated and see the progress they want. So yeah, did couple coaching calls with my clients. As I said, everyone is crushing it. Just gonna show you as well my own community, you know, because I think it's really important to have this community, because myself as well, sometimes I've worked like 10 hours, 12 hours in front of the screen, and it can get pretty lonely, you know. And the same with my clients, they are usually like tech guys, entrepreneurs who also spend a lot of time in front of the screens. So I make sure like we also have this cool community where we support each other, you know. So here, for example, Tristan crushing his morning routine, some other wins. Guillermo, Kuhn, he lost like 30 pounds in just under 30 days. Crazy transformation, you know. And these are just a couple of my client wins, and there are like plenty of others. So it's really cool to see where this community is growing. Everyone is crushing it, so really happy to be part of it, you know, and build something really great. So now finishing up some work, gonna go for dinner, meet up with my friends. So I see you on the way. Some house music on. Let's go. So we have arrived at the spot, Bingin Beach. Let's check it out. Haven't been here actually, so really curious to see. They say one of the best beaches in Uluwatu region. So let's check it out. Some cool places here.
Who cares that it is shining? Who cares what it does? Since you broke my heart. Who loves the sun? Who cares that it makes plants grow? Who cares what it does? Since you broke my heart. Who loves the sun? Who cares that it is shining? Who cares what it does since you broke my heart?
We are free, but we would like to have some prawns, maybe some fish.
Visit Banzai.
Who loves the sun?
So good morning guys, day 64 of 75 hard. We are in Bamboo Gym Fitness in Uluwatu, doing a full body actually workout as my first workout today. How we feeling?
Great. Coach is trying to destroy me.
Gym is banger, like CrossFit type of gym, one of the best in Uluwatu. So gym session done. Now outside of Bamboo, look at this cool gym here, like Tulum, Mexico. Sun is out. Guns.
Boys are out.
Guns are out.
Vai. Nu, coach, kurs ir 20.
So yeah, that was the gym session done. First training of the day. Really like this gym, Bamboo Fitness. So if you are in Bali, come check it out. Really cool. So yeah, now it's time for breakfast. What's up guys? So after the breakfast went just home, did like work a lot, did some ads, again check in with clients as well. So like super productive day so far. And yeah, also during this 75 hard, like my productivity has gone like, you know, really up, really good. Feel focused every day. My productivity is good because I don't eat any junk, you know. My sleep is good, training good. So yeah, and I think that was one of my main goals, you know, not to like be like shredded or change my body, but more like for that mental and focus aspect, which I've been like feeling it. Scaled my business already 2 times more than I had it before. More clients, you know, client delivery, filming videos, uploading 3 times a week to YouTube. So definitely productivity wise has been really good. Definitely you need to try it out as well, and you're gonna see that your life changes really fast. And yeah, let me know in the comments if this is valuable or what other topics you want me that I cover in the future videos. And subscribe, like this video, and I see you in the next video.